In August of last year, Jackson Frakes took his Nissan Maxima to Brian Lawhon at Lawhon Glass, a local establishment that's been in business for 18 years, to get his windows tinted. After leaving with the finished vehicle, Jackson said he noticed holes in his Bose speakers that weren't there before.
He told me that he would work with me on trying to get it fixed. He said to go out and get some estimates.
But Brian says he absolutely didn't damage his speakers.
Had I felt that I damaged his vehicle, the speaker covers, I have no problem taking care of a problem like that, because, you know, things happen sometimes. But in that case, it wasn't anything that I caused.
They ended up in a small claims court over the matter, and in November, Brian was fined, but only half of what Jackson asked for. Brian filed an appeal, but missed the trial.
The reason I missed the court date was because I was too busy tinting vehicles here. I lost track of that date.
And since that time, Jackson says he hasn't seen a dime.
My next move was we went to Buchanan County Courthouse and we filed to garnish his wages. We paid the fee to garnish his wages out of his bank account, and they said that we could not garnish his wages or his bank account because it was a joint bank account.
So why was it refused?
The problem with joint accounts is you don't know what volume of those funds belong to the the debtor, and the volume of those funds in that account that belong to the joint account holder.
That upset Jackson, and he wants to know why he can't collect the money he was awarded.
I feel like I just was really misled, because under common people like myself that aren't in the court system every day, our belief is that if you go to court and you win something, you're going to get something in return.
But it seems in order to get there, it might take a lot more paperwork, which is costly.
Usually it's up to the plaintiffs who won the judgment to execute on that judgment, and basically what they can do is file for a writ of execution.
Which is something Jackson says isn't very clear at all.
There's really no advisement from the court system on what to do next.
So what will everyone do next?
We're going to see this all the way through now. It's more about the principle.
I will fight back because I'm innocent of what he's accusing me of doing.
For Fox 26 KNPN, I'm Jeremy Lyons.